Okay, I watched a video this afternoon which was put up by Dark Horse, and he used a bit of homebrew kit like this to open a multi-lock, and I thought there is no way it can be that simple. So when I got home from work I thought, right, I'm going to give it a try. So that's my homebrew bit of kit, and let's see what happens. Now, he used no tension wrench, so I'm not going to use a wrench. Hope you can see the bolt, and that's how easy it is. I could not believe it, and I believe that's called overlifting. There you go. Thank you.